everybody, Timey7 here for TWG7 Sings, and today is what, oh yeah, you guys already know, because if you watched my other video, you know there's going to be 3 unboxings today in total, well, over this weekend. And this is one of them. This is for the BoxyCharm unboxing, so we're going to dive right in. I have not opened it other than to remove the little sticky here, so I can open it now, my BoxyCharm. I hope that I love everything in this box, but we'll find out in a moment, because you are going to get the opportunity to watch me do it. Pretty cool, right? I think so. Honestly, why did I start doing unboxings? Let me tell you guys that real quick. I started doing unboxings because when I go looking to decide whether or not I want to get a certain subscription box, I look on YouTube. I look for these reviews. I look for what people are getting because I want to know what people are getting so that I know if I want to dive in and get it. So, here's what I'm getting this month. First item, let's see, is a Laura Geller. Here we go. Blush and Brighten. I mean, that's pretty. That's a real, see in the sunlight how that shimmers? I really like that. That's really cool. I like it. Laura Geller Blush. The theme this month is Wildflower. The next item is a set of brushes from Alamar. And as you guys know, you never have enough brushes. Ever, 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 ever have enough brushes. You can always use more because then you can rotate them through. And as the ones are drying overnight or whatever, you don't have to worry, oh shoot, I can't clean my brushes. This way you can always have clean brushes. That's my tip of the day. Next item in here is Butter from London Luxurious Eyeliner. Check that out. Now, it's another black eyeliner. I don't use a whole lot of black eyeliner at all. I really think it looks cool, but with my shaky hands, as you can see, they can't stay still even to show you the brush. So how the heck am I going to use that to get a perfect line on my face? I'd probably make a mess. Instead of me just trying it, I'll probably give it to someone who I love. It's not like it's going to go to waste ever. I am not a wasteful type of person. If something is not for me, I won't buy it, or if I do buy it, like in the boxes, sometimes things are just not for me. What do? I give them away to loved ones because I want them to be loved. I don't want to have something sit around in my drawer and never be used. So I'd rather give it to a loved one than let it go to waste. And for $22 for this BoxyCharm box, to me, that's worth it because there's so many things that I do love that are in these. I love the eyeshadow palettes. They blow me away like every time. They make me so happy. So that alone is worth it, and then everything else is like bonus on top for me. Now, the next item here is a Hanks and Henry Matte Liquid Lipstick. Wow, this is liquid? Check this out. This is a liquid lipstick. Why, yes, it is. That is a liquid lipstick. It's a nice color. It's neutral, though. A lot of neutrals. It smells nice. Has a nice scent to it. I just put on a different lipstick a few minutes ago, but hey, who cares, huh? I'll just pile it on top. But that is the Petal Pusher liquid lipstick. And I do like neutrals at times. You guys know I like to go a little bit, mix them up, so it always helps to have extra colors to mix also. So I'm good with this. And last, but absolutely not least, we're going to take a look at what? Oh yeah, the eyeshadow palette that I was just talking about. This is from Nightingale, and it's called Pretty Vulgar. And look at how beautiful this is. Embrace your beautiful contradictions. That is something I adore. Now let's take a look at the colors. Oh my God. Oh my God. Those are freaking stunning. I'm trying to make sure you can see them. Check those out. Can you see like the shine on them? These are like, I love this palette. This palette has made me a very happy woman. I'm pretty into Pretty Vulgar. So, we have the Pretty Vulgar gorgeous eyeshadow palette. Gorgeous eyeshadow palette. To die for eyeshadow palette. We have the Hank and Henry matte liquid lipstick called Petal Pusher. We have the Laura Geller Tropic Hues Baked Blush and Brightener. Butter from London Glazon Liquid Eyeliner. From Alamar, we have a set of 3 brushes. I am very happy with my BoxyCharm this month, extremely. If you are interested in getting a BoxyCharm box, below in the description is a link. $22 a month, 5 items at least, full-sized items, all in your box every month that are worth way more than $22. This is how I build my makeup cache that I have inside. It's the best way and the least expensive in my opinion. And guess what? You get an amazing fan with it too for free. I mean, who could? A wildflower fan. That's the best part of it, I think, today, right? You guys have yourselves a great day. I will see you again real soon. Bye for now. Rock on, my wild ones. Rock on.